Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Florida. That's right, Florida, baby. We're down here at Daytona Beach and we're getting ready to drive Ruby onto the beach itself, you guys. Yes, onto the beach. So let me flip this camera around and let's show you guys Ruby driving onto the beach. And here she comes, ladies and gentlemen. Ruby is going on the sand and there she goes. Look at that. Ruby is on the beach, you guys. Look at this. Oh yeah. Ruby is on the beach. See the beach in the background? You don't get to do this every day. You waving, sassy? Check this out, you guys. Cars on the beach. That's right. We got Mrs. Car Girl, Mrs. Car Mob over here. We got Sassy Car Girl playing in the beach. And look at Ruby looking so fine on the sand. Is that fresh or what? You enjoying the sand, Sassy? How often can you play in the sand and have your car right next to you? Right? Check it out, you guys. Ruby did get a little stuck in the sand. We had to turn the traction control off and goose her a little bit to get her unstuck, but she's okay now. We got to keep her on the more hard-packed sand. We got cars driving by. See, look at speed limit, 10 miles an hour. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of cruising down the beach. Was that awesome? We took Ruby on Daytona Beach today. Something you don't see on everybody else's channel. Look at this, drop top life. We got Sassy Car Girl in the back. We got Mrs. Car Mob navigating. Well, hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.